Welcome to the feature tour of OpenText ZENworks Service Desk, your ITIL-aligned solution for efficient, compliant, and user-centric service management. In this video, we will explore how new enhancements bring greater automation, smarter controls, and improved collaborations for support teams. Introducing dynamic forms for existing requests, which will enable technicians to collect the right info at the right time. Technicians can attach one or multiple forms mid-life cycle to clarify requirements, capture context, and document findings. The result? Fewer back and forth, faster resolution, and clear communication for customers. Let's see a demo of this feature. As a user, I've raised a request to relocate my cubicle to the 10th floor. The technician sees my request and realizes that there's a lot of information missing. So what the technician decides is to add a dynamic form to capture more information to this existing request. So they choose the dynamic form for relocation, and all the details regarding relocation are shown. Now the technician has an option to save this note, and then the user gets to fill this note and submit it back to the technician. Alternatively, if the technician decides that they have all the information and they want to capture that in this form, they could make the visibility private and fill the form details. Let's make the visibility public and ask the customer to fill the form. So in the customer portal, when I look at my request, I will now see this form attached. I can click on it and fill its details. Okay. No. So I'm submitting this request. The technician sees that the relocation form has been updated and can view its details. Let's look at the feature Strategic SLA Breach Management. When an SLA breaches, control what happens next. Keep the ticket with the technician to maintain continuity while automatically notifying leads. No surprise escalations or disrupted workflows. This gives teams flexibility to handle breaches internally, reduce noise, and preserves focus where the work is already happening. Let's see a demo of this feature. I have logged in as a supervisor and navigate to the users section and then click on the Teams submenu. Let's look at the incident team. Here we see that escalate on SLA breach is set to on by default. Let's go to the critical incident team, and here we have changed the default value to off. I have now logged in as the technician, and when I view the request, I can see that the request belongs to the critical incident team and its SLAs have been breached a few times. Notifications were sent when the SLA was breached, but the request did not get reassigned from the technician. Prevent misrouted calls before they happen. With Smart Team Insights, quickly find teams missing managers or escalation paths using new search filters. Fix blind spots in minutes, protect SLAs, and improve operational oversight, so every call reaches the right team at the right time. Let's see a demo of this feature. I've logged in as a supervisor and navigate to the user section and then click on the Teams submenu. Here in the search options, we have a few new fields. We can see new search criteria like state, city, manager not configured, and technician not configured. The manager not configured field lets us list teams for which manager has not been assigned at the team or group level. And the technician not configured field lets us list teams for which a technician has not been assigned at the team level, group level, or at an escalation level. Let's select manager not configured and see if there are any teams for which a manager is not configured in the setup. When I click on search, we see that the store team is listed. When we investigate further, we find that no managers have been configured for this team. Close the loop on reopen tickets with context-aware reassignment. When a ticket reopens, it automatically goes back to the last technician who worked on it. That preserves history, avoids rework, and gets the customer a faster, more consistent resolution from someone who already knows the case. Let's see a demo of this feature. I have logged in to the technician portal as technician Sonu Singh, and I am going to be reopening a closed ticket. So let's pick ticket 10050 and reopen it. So when I reopen this ticket, it will get reassigned to the same technician who had worked on it before. 500 is reassigned to Oliver. Technician Oliver is now on vacation. So now when technician Sonu Singh reopens a request which was closed by Oliver, this request is now assigned to a different technician as Oliver's on leave. Find what matters faster. The enhanced email log search lets you filter by time range, sender, subject, and message content. Troubleshoot issues quickly, surface audit evidence in seconds, and improve compliance confidence, all without shifting through endless threads. Let's see a demo of this feature. Navigate to Setup and click on the Email submenu, and then click on the Log section. Here, under Search, we have added 4 new fields. Now, we can search based on sender, address, reason, and content. Content field supports full text search. So I could search for things like the 10th floor and all my emails which contained information about the 10th floor are listed. That's what's new in the latest release of OpenText ZENworks Service Desk. These features and enhancements are a direct response to your feedback, aiming to streamline operations and enhance productivity. Thank you for watching, and stay connected, stay informed, and keep transforming with OpenText.